this. I'm sure I'll figure it out. Yeah, with this one, definitely got an engine brake a lot more than with the other one. Than with the single disc front end. It's not the best way to go. It doesn't stop. Kind of slows down, but it don't stop. With that Roadster having the double disc front end, that's actually pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie. I got cut off the other day by a 3/4 ton Dodge Ram. Ironically enough, on the way to go get my attachments for the camera. Didn't have the camera on, and this guy just pulls out in front of me, basically stops, wants to see what I'm gonna do, and almost positive he was trying to lay me down. No way to prove it, no camera, no nothing. But luckily, I was on the Roadster, and it stopped enough that I could probably kick the bed of his truck, but hey, praise God, I didn't hit him. Who cares? Almost. Only counts horseshoes and air grenades, right? So, learning experience, and now I know. If it was this bike, I'm not too sure how that would have played out. Probably not as well. So this is where me and my oldest daughter like to go. Check out the water. See who's doing what. Kind of a scenic ride, not too bad. It's right around the block from the house. It's one that I like. And at least this will give me a little bit of time to see, hey, do I keep the wind out? Should I start wearing a full face helmet? Because, woo, it's still a little bit windy. It ain't the 25, 30 mile per hour it used to be, but, or it was a couple days ago, but definitely isn't the best. But hopefully the bike works out. If not, hey, I'll dial it in. We'll figure it out. It's not going to be too bad. Let's go the back way. Bought that Suburban I have from a guy that lives over here. You might know, I have no idea which place is his anymore. Pretty cool guy though. You ever watch my videos, man? It's a great truck. Might have to rebuild that rear end, but hey, that's okay. Got a pretty good deal on it. But it is. surfer. I don't do the whole parasailing. Occasionally, you know, I might get in a boat and try to go fishing or something, but that is just not me. I don't like seafood. I don't like eating fish. You know, obviously. Yeah, no. But, hey, it's better than Ocean City, Maryland. That's all you're going to get. You're going to get seafood. I mean, they live right by the Atlantic, right? But here in Texas, I mean, hey, we got beef,